All right, y'all, welcome back to the Rolling Grit. Today we got a good one, man. Today we're gonna do like a little product review. I'm a big fan of sausages, Italian sausage, Polish sausage, jalapeno and cheddar sausages out of Texas is probably some of my favorite. Beef, pork, anything. But the one sausage I've never tried, this combination right here I found in Kroger today. Alligator and pork. Never have I ever seen alligator and pork sausage together. That's just me. But anyway, this is a brand that they have in Kroger now. I've seen a lot of it lately. It's called Country Pleasing brand. They also have jalapeno and cheddar and another one also in there. But this one says it's hickory smoke. So, just a quick product review, man, and see how it is, man. You know, once I get it, I'm going to give it to y'all raw and uncut. So y'all stay tuned right here on the Rolling Grill, baby. Go Dogs. Yeah, boy. I just want to give y'all a close-up on it, kind of knock a little bit of that frost off of it. It's called Country Pleasing brand. Again, pork and alligator. Yeah, y'all get the mitch. Nothing on the back other than, you know, it tells you about it. You can go check them out at countrypleasing.com, man. But I'm just going to throw them on the flat top grill here in the house and see what we can do with it. They also have this one also. Jalapeno cheddar, pork sausage, hickory smoked. Jalapeno cheddar is my favorite. This is my favorite jalapeno and cheddar brand right here, Opals. I get these out of HEB in Texas. Whenever I go to Texas, this is the ones that I pick up, man. So, again, these are the ones we're going to try out today. Let me flip them back over. Pork and alligator. And y'all stay tuned, man. Good eating coming up on the Rolling Grill. All right, guys, before we get going, I forgot to mention, man, look what it's seasoned with. Crab oil seasoning. So you know, this right here probably about to be some serious good eating right here, man. So let's go ahead and get the thing on the grill. All right, guys, we got the griddle ready to go. Of course, you know I sprayed it down with my favorite olive oil cooking spray out of Sam's Club, Memos Mark brand. But anyway, here our sausages go right here. We're actually gonna do both of them. Let me let it go out a little bit on my camera. We're gonna do both of them. This right here is the jalapeno cheddar. And then this one right here is the gator and pork sausage. I'm not trying to cook them too fast, so I got like a medium-high heat on this. If I have to, I may even tint it with some foil. But we're gonna let them things rock and roll, man. Look at that, man. You can kind of see the spices in there, man. Look like it's gonna be fire. So again, y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna be back. Pork and gator sausage, jalapeno and cheddar sausage. Yeah, boy. Guys, and so that the casings don't pop, because I don't know how much sugar or whatever they have in these sausages. I don't know if these are gonna tight casings on the sausage. I always spray the sausage down, just so when I flip them over, everything is good to go. Just want to keep them moist and lubricated on the outside so they don't burn as easily. All right, y'all, they've been going for about 8 minutes now. I just keep rotating them. As you can see, the casings aren't popping. I got it like on a medium low heat. The casings aren't popping. You know, you get some of these sausages out of grocery stores, the casings start popping quick, and they're full of sugar and they start burning. These are actually doing pretty good. Casings is still intact and everything. Nice and juicy. I got my aluminum foil right here too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let these go for probably about another 5 minutes. And then I'm gonna cut the heat down to low. And I'm gonna cover them with my aluminum foil. So, yeah. Pork and gator, jalapeno cheddar, baby. They cooking, man. Yeah, boy. All right, guys, just want to show y'all something. No promo at all. I'm not trying to promote these people at all. I don't even know these people. Apparently, it's the official sausage of Mississippi State. All I got to say to that is go Dogs. But if you look down here, they got a bunch of different kinds, man. Pork and alligator, Cajun style, andouille, original, jalapeno cheddar, pork pineapple, green onion. You know, a whole bunch of different ones. So, yeah, check them out. Kroger, yeah, boy. All right, so I got them covered up in foil. I'm gonna let them go for about 5 minutes. Just wanted to give y'all a little peek at some things, man. You can see little jalapenos and a little cheddar in there. Let me take the foil off so y'all can get a peek. Again, the casings are still intact. You know, where I'm from, man, you take the tongue and you move your sausage like this. Look at that, casing still intact, man. So I'm gonna put the foil back on, let them keep on rocking and roll. Look like we got a little pop, but that's all right. The heat is low. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, they're ready to go. I'm gonna let them sit here on the grill. I cut the stove off. I'm gonna let them sit here for about 5 minutes, and then we shall cut them open. They look good. The casing's held up really nice. Jalapeno cheddar, pork and alligator. Yes, sir. All right, guys, we are ready to taste. This right here is the jalapeno cheddar, and this right here is the pork and alligator. And then right here we have the spicy golden mustard, and then a stone ground mustard. I like mustard with my sausages. Like, I could just eat them with the mustard by themselves. No bun needed. So we're gonna start off with the jalapeno cheddar, and then we'll finish off with the alligator. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get the tasting. So jalapeno cheddar looks pretty good. I'm gonna try it with the stone ground mustard first. I'm a big fan of the stone ground mustard. Oh yeah, that's a good sausage right there. That's a good sausage right there. Jalapeno cheddar. The cheddar is kind of minute, but I can taste it in there. Now let's try it with the spicy brown mustard. Spicy brown mustard. Oh yeah. The jalapeno cheddar is legit. This is legit. Either mustard or go with this one. It's legit. This one's legit. The casing is good. The flavor is really good. And it's not greasy. Most of the time with a lot of these sausages, it's greasy. This one is actually not greasy at all. So the jalapeno and cheddar, thumbs up. Now, let's go over to the gator and pork. This is the gator and pork. Not really greasy, but it's got a nice amount of fat in it. Nice little squeeze to it. Casing is still intact. I'm gonna try it by itself first. Okay. That's different. That's different. That's different. Gator and pork together in a sausage. That's different. It's actually good. I can definitely taste the crab seasoning coming through. Not spicy at all, though. Not spicy at all. But good. Has really good flavor. You can definitely tell there's something in there other than pork. But it's really good, though. It's really good. I'm going to try it with some stone ground mustard. See what we get. Okay. Okay. The mustard works with it. The mustard works with it. To me, the flavor is kind of minute. Like, to me, it probably could use a little more seasoning in it. But it's good. The jalapeno cheddar to me is much better. But this one is good. It's different. It's different. Spicy brown mustard. Oh, yeah. Okay. To me, I like it with the spicy brown mustard better. To me, that's what it needs. It needs a little bit of kick to it. It needs a little pepper, a little more pepper to it. But it's good, though. It's different. Oh, yeah. So, again, let me get the pack. Pork and andouille sausage. Yeah, it's good. It's good. You could definitely, for somebody that don't want to try alligator, you could definitely sneak this in on them and they would never know the difference. You wouldn't even know it was in there. Pork and alligator sausage, man. My only recommendation, maybe a little more spice to it. I think it could use like a little more heat to really like, you know, let you know that you got alligator in your mouth, a little kick or something. But anyway, y'all, I'm going to keep bringing y'all these kind of little reviews, man, on different stuff that I find Because I'm big about going in the store, just grabbing stuff that I've never tried and giving it a try. So, man, y'all hang on in there with me, man. We're going to do a little more cooking videos as well. But we're going to definitely transition over to start reviewing a lot more products, man. Because a lot of times people will pass this by in the store and not give it a try. Well, I'm here. I'm going to give it a try. So as always, man, y'all stay tuned, man. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. And as always, man, be blessed. Yeah, boy.